Big Fred was a rough, rowdy driver. He drove from town to town. He made all his brags at the truck stops. There wasn't a man put him down. He fell in love with Mary, with a pretty eyes so blue. But he found another driver, was in love with sweet Mary too. They met one night at a truck stop. Big Fred pulled his truck off the road. They went inside to the cafe, and his anger Big Fred plainly showed. He dared the driver to meet him next morning on the highway at 4. They'd fight a truck driver's duel, and Big Fred would settle the score. Just a few hours later, in the stillness of the cold, lonely dawn, the truckers met out on the highway. The two thought that they were alone. Freddie pulled out his pistol, ready to shoot the man down. But before he could pull the trigger, Big Fred lay dead on the ground. Pretty Mary stood o'er him. She'd followed them out on the road. She'd saved the life of her sweetheart, and Big Fred lay dead on the road.
All righty, truck driving Fred there. That's a song that Harvey brought to the practice last Monday, the first time we ever did it here tonight. And we'd like to mention our sponsor as we get along into the show. This is the New England Armory in New Haven, Connecticut. Store's address is 681 State Street, and we'd like to ask you nothing more than to just go down and look around the store. It's about the most interesting store this side of the Hudson River. And we know you'll enjoy seeing the historical items of old America and middle America and all the little things that Fred's got down there to buy, and we hope you'll go look at the store before too long. And don't pass up the chance while we're here, and while it's there, go down and look. Here's one that's kind of a springtime song. It's got to do with baseball, and it's called I've Got Two Strikes Against Me, But I'm a Home Run Man.